Zoom recording.
Okay. Okay na.
Ay, okay na yung sound?
Okay na yung sound.
Okay. Yeah.
Cheers. Okay.
Hi guys, I'm Carl Ignacio and my pronouns are he and him. My SOGI is heterosexual, cisgender man, and masculine. So my roles for this production is audio mixer, camera operator, and visual effects. What I know about the topic beforehand is yung knowledge ko about bakla. It has a lot of bad connotation just because ang dami kong naririnig from my friends, from my family na pag bakla ganito, pag bakla mahina, pag bakla medyo babae ka gumalaw, ganun. Before nung high school ako, ang alam ko lang sa bakla is wala, hindi ko sila pinapakialaman, ganun. Like, sige, part na sila ng community ganun na sila So, all of their answers were great, but who surprises me the most was actually Jodel. Meron siyang isang answer na nag-stuck talaga sa akin is yung sinabi ni Jodel na parang ganun na siya dati pa. So, hindi naman daw siya pinalaki na ganun. Hindi naman daw sinabi na maging ganun siya. Ganun na siya dati pa. So, bakit nga ba natin pinapakialaman yung isang bagay na ganun na naman before? So dapat bigyan na lang natin ng respect yung mga ganong bagay. Oo nga, bakit natin pinapakialaman ng isang tao na kung dati ganun na naman sila? Ganun yung parang personality nila, ganun sila gumalaw, or technically ganun na talaga sila. We don't have to make this a big deal. Pero ayun nga, kailangan natin gawing big deal to kasi there are parts na up until now, meron pa rin siyang bad connotation or bad narratives. So my experience for this production was actually great because I get to learn two knowledge. One for shooting part, yung ang dami naming ginawa, ang dami naming places na pinuntahan, ang dami naming shoot, ang dami naming naging interview. And because of ang dami naming in-interview about LGBTQ, mas nagkakaroon ako ng deeper knowledge about them. Ay, ganito pala talaga. So mas naging clear sa akin ang bagay-bagay or ang topic na to. Straight as my back. I got your back. I'm your ally.